Alright, what's happening, guys? It's like 8 a.m. right now. Well, it's better than 8 a.m. Look. Some nice pops at 8 a.m. Alright, I'm still tired. Okay, I'm still tired. Anyways, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And what are we getting into today? So, I got a little surprise for you guys. But actually today, you guys are gonna enjoy this video. We're gonna be picking up a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive car. We're gonna go check it out and hopefully is able to be picked up. That's what I'm gonna say. Comment down below what car you guys think it is. Remember, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. What do you guys think it is? And I bet you probably you guys probably won't get it. You won't get it. And if you do, damn. But yeah, so right now we're gonna go pick up my boy Andres. He's waiting for me right now, so it's like what, an hour and a half from my house. But you know, we gotta get it, gotta grind, guys. Gotta thank God for a new day. God is good, and just grind. Yo, it's like everywhere I go, no matter where you are, there's always traffic. Like, yo, there's too many people, especially here in Florida. You guys gotta go back up north. There's too many people moving down here, man. But yeah, guys, yo, so the car that we're actually picking up, I've always wanted this car. Like, I've always had this car behind my, like, in my mind. I always had it. I'm like, damn, that'd be like a fun car to learn how to drift, a fun car to just do whatever. So it's a pretty nice car to modify, and there's a lot of good things that you can do to it, make it look nice or whatever. So I also like the RX-8s. What do you guys think of the RX-8s? Like I know it's a rotary and everything, but I think that if you take care of it, I think the RX-8 will take care of you. So I don't think it'll break. I mean, I've heard so many people say, yo, I take care of the car and honestly no problems or whatever. It's like basically the people who have problems are the ones that like start the car, move the car, turn it off, boom, there, engine flooded, like things like that. But I actually do want to ask you guys, what do you think about having an RX-8 on this channel? Like, just keep the rotary, even do a RX-7 FD rotary, swapping it with like the turbo or a big single turbo or something like that, pushing maybe what, 400 or 500 wheel. Like, that'll be a possible, you know, track car, things like that. But yo, this guy's been taking forever, man. This dude had like an hour and a half to get ready to do everything, and I'm over here waiting. And you guys have that friend that you're like, yo, I'm almost there, or this and that, and they have enough time to get ready or whatever, like, I'm on my way, and when you get there, they're not ready. Bro, it's funny as shit, man. Look at this guy. Freaking finally,
hell yeah. I had to get the first mod, you know.
First mod is a shift knob,
yeah,
with Japanese
15 horsepower,
with Japanese letters in it.
Yes, sir.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, let's get it, guys. So I'm gonna catch you guys over there. All right, guys, so we made it here, and without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys the car. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. This one right here. Yeah, I know it has like a little, it needs some paint. Someone did something wrong here, but that's the car. Oh, by the way, sorry guys, the car is not for me. I kind of fooled you a little bit, but it's not for me. It's actually for this guy. Now we're gonna take a look at it, drive it, you know, whatever. So that's what we're doing. That's what the car is looking like right now. Needs a little work. Interior looks all right, you know. Oh, that's sick. Look at this, look at this. Now watch. Oh, that's pretty cool. I mean, it needs a little work. I don't know, something's weird there, but we're gonna take it for a spin right now. Don't crash it. Brake, you know the emergency brake's on. So 6-speed. Gotta be careful here with that big ass truck. He said he may shifted a 5th. Be careful, because he says the cops here. Woo. So actually the car feels pretty good. Wow, I'm going to get, oh shit. Jesus. Oh, that's what he's talking about.
Let's see. The boy driving a 6-speed.
It's so weird.
Yeah. It's gonna get some time you guys to get used to it.
Shit, it's gonna fuck up. I'm not used to it.
It's not turning around.
It's pretty cool. Doesn't look bad. Now, it has like a little grind on third, but I don't know if you guys know anything about G's. Yeah, so we got the car. We actually just got a little lower than what he was asking for. So we got the car. This dude is mad excited. That grind in third gear, we can either switch the transmission or I don't know, whatever. But if not, he can just resell it. But we're gonna go to the bank real quick, get some money, and then car's ours. So you guys gonna see that car on the channel. Damn, this guy comes out of the freaking bank with no envelope, nothing. He's just like, send it. Bro, is this how much money? So is this what this looks like?
You know, like I gotta pick up the phone, you know? Oh, yeah.
This guy. Look, even the love bugs are loving your car. Okay. 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 Yo, so what you plan with it?
Trying to get, you know, at least some spacers, you know, make those wheels pop out a little bit more.
Oh, he's trying to get the spacers to make them out. I mean, if you get, I think, honestly, I think like a 100 mil. Nah, I get like, I don't know. I think a 20 mil should be good. You gotta roll it. What you gonna do with the spoiler? You gonna put that duckbill? Ooh, carbon fiber? Carbon fiber?
You know, single exhaust for sure.
Single exit?
Yes.
He's gonna get it somewhere, guys.
For a little.
He's gonna get it somewhere. You guys see this stuff right here, but we got, it honestly, it like comes off, so he's gonna have to buff it out and stuff, so.
I got the headlights coming in.
Oh, you got headlights.
Yes, sir.
He got that GTR headlights coming in.
Yeah, those are like, eh.
Nah, but a little cosmetic, like here and there. I think the car should be good. These wheels, the more I look at them, the more I like them. Guys, should we straight trade my wheels for those wheels?
We should.
He says we should. This guy's making fun of me. He's like, oh, you got a boat. He got one right now. He got another boat. So I don't know what you're talking about. But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna just leave it here. He got his car, the car he always wanted. Well, we went through so many cars. Mazda P3, 350, 370, the BMW, like so many cars, and he ended up with one of those.
But in all reality, bro, every time I saw this car, I always looked at it and I was like, damn, this car really looks nice. And it was always something that I looked at it, like other people had it obviously, and I would look at it and I'm like, damn, that car is nice.
Yeah.
But I really never thought of getting it.
And you got it.
I do not regret it at all.
I don't know. You guys would like to see a race between this car and my car? Who do you think will win? Comment down below. Who do you think will win? The G35 or the Maxima? So remember, guys, God is good. God bless you all. Peace.